Hey everyone, my name is Riley Piper. I'm from Houston, Texas, and this is my 2017 Camaro ZL1. I think for me, what started my love and passion for cars was back in the early 2000s. My older brother had a C6 Corvette, and with that Corvette, he would take me on rides, we'd go get fast food together, I'd help him detail it on the weekends, and just getting to learn what it was like to own a sports car, I just thought that was so cool, and I was like, man, I want to do that someday. Now fast forward to present time, I've been able to own some amazing cars, race them, modify them, just have fun with them and see what they're all about. And one thing that is always going to stand out on any vehicle is going to be that vehicle's exhaust system. Some people wake up in the morning and see their vehicle as just transportation. Me, I see it as an experience. Sometimes it's nice to maybe take the long way home, hit a back road, go out and enjoy driving, enjoy that freedom. And being able to put your foot in it and hear that exhaust come to life is something that makes every car unique, and it makes it just that much more exciting. I'm extremely proud to say that on my Camaro, I am rocking a Corsa Extreme Plus catback exhaust system that I absolutely love. It sounds super, super good. My previous car was a 2018 Mustang that was also rocking some Corsa headers and a Corsa Sport catback exhaust on that one. And prior to both of those cars, I've been through many different exhaust systems, anything from other brands to muffler deletes, anything in between. I've experienced a lot, and I can truly say, hands down, that the fit and finish, the build quality, the sound, the no drone technology, everything that Corsa is able to package into their system is hands down the best. Cars were originally intended to just be transportation. Nowadays, well, things have changed.